everybody, welcome back to my channel, and guess what? It is time for a second Walgreens haul. Like I said in my ad preview that I post every Wednesday, it is a slow week at Walgreens. The first day deal I'm just like over with, but you guys can still continue doing it. I will try to get a couple other things, but I'm just not feeling it like getting it this week. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I tried to scrimmage and get more stuff. Now, one thing you guys should check is your coffee and nuts area. Both stores I went to were cleared out, but some of the stores have it down to 90% off. So definitely check that out if you guys really love coffee and nuts. Coffee and nuts. So yeah, and I don't drink coffee, and I'll eat nuts if I have to, but pretty much just peanuts and cashews. That's pretty much all I eat. But one thing I wanted to share with you guys right away is I got the hold on you guys, I gotta grab it. I got the June booklet for the Walgreens booklet, so I will be posting that after I make this video, so you guys will definitely have to stay tuned so you guys can see what sales are going to be going on all month long in the Walgreens book. I love it. I always post that video for you guys. So again, let's just stop talking and dig right in, okay? I do want to apologize to you guys on Sunday. Some of you guys thought I was just in a bad mood. I was not. I was actually in a good mood. I'm not trying to slam people, but if you guys are in my shoes, you guys hear a lot of the same things constantly all the time. I always have people tell me what to do, or telling me this is this and this is that, and you guys are more than welcome to help me, but certain things I just hear so much of it, it irritates me. So I was not in a bad mood. I just wanted to explain to you guys on that. I just was having one of those days where I'm just like sick of everything, and as you guys can see, I'm just not couponing very much this week. I'm just kind of taking it low key, because I'm going on vacation next week on Sunday. We are going to Orlando, Florida, and I'm just like, I don't know, I just don't feel like couponing right now. Plus it's 95 degrees outside. We hit a record for 3 or 4 days in a row. It hasn't been this hot in like 10, 20, 50 years. It's crazy. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I had to go shopping, or I went to Walgreens and then I went to go clothes shopping because I need some more new clothes. And I had to go home and put all this stuff in my house because it's so hot outside, everything would just melt. So yes, I ended up doing the Pringles deal. Now my store was pretty much wiped out of Pringles, which I'm like, okay, Ben, what kind of Pringles do you want? His favorite kind are the green ones, and all they had was just one. So the Pringles are on sale for $4, okay? We got that $1 off of 4 coupon that I think we got in the 5-6 Red Plum. I'm not 100% positive on that. Or it was one of the last Sunday, not this past Sunday because there was no inserts, but the previous Sunday's Red Plum or Smart Source. So you guys would want to use that coupon. You guys would end up paying, you guys would end up paying $3 for 4 of these, or it comes up to be 75 cents a piece, which I actually think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, 75 cents a piece for Pringles actually is a pretty good deal, because most of those times they run like $1. You can get them for $1 at the Dollar Tree, or like $1.50. So I think for 75 cents a piece, go for it. And these are perfect for snacks to bring with us when we go on our trip, especially the airplane. If you guys ever brought Pringles on an airplane, it's awesome. Like, this part gets so hard, it's like you're like, holy crap, the Pringles are gonna pop open, but they don't. I just think it's hilarious. So yeah, I found this Eco Tools blending brush or blending sponge or whatever. Now check your guys' stores. Everybody's store is different, but this store had it I think for $2.79. I never took a picture of it, but I ended up getting this. I did not include this in my breakdowns, you guys, because I just needed this. I really needed some sponge, and I think it comes with a handle or something on it, but had to get that. I ended up doing the trolley deal again. Now, some of you guys are confused. So, what happens is you guys will buy this, okay? You guys will pay $1.99. You can also use your points. You guys can use up to $2 in points if you guys want to do this. Then what happens is a $1.99 Catalina prints off. If your guys' store, the Catalina does not print off, your store can give you guys 2,000 points to do it. I've done it before, so just let you guys know. But if you guys do get a Catalina and you want to do this deal again, just don't use the same Catalina. So don't use the same register reward for the trolley. So if you guys have a trolley register reward and you want to buy another trolley register reward or another trolley, don't use the same register reward. You guys can use this register reward to go towards diapers for another different register reward, or the toothpaste, toothbrush deal. So just saying, if you guys are repeating the stuff, just don't continue using that. Another thing is, if you guys are doing items that I can explain it easier if you guys watch my Coupon 101 video. I need to do a more updated video, and I will, just when all the craziness stops. I'm sorry, I got like a heat rash on my skin because it's just been hot, and I've been outside all weekend. I actually look like I got color instead of my pale self that I always look like. Yeah, so had to get the trolleys. They were free, and I did 2 separate transactions, and I just paid with points. So here is the $1.99 register reward I got. So I am keeping those, and my phone's ringing. So I went crazy over M&Ms because we have those coupons that are expiring soon. Now, if you guys looked on coupons.com, they had $1 off of 1 of the crunchy M&Ms, and they also had 50 cents off of 2 of the smaller bags. So the bigger bags are 2 for $6. You guys want to use 2, sorry, there's something in my eye. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons from coupons.com. Plus, you guys also want to use a $1 off coupon, or $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a bag. That Ibotta deal is no longer good, but hey, M&Ms for $1.50 for the bigger bags. I think it's a great deal. I've yet to try these. I don't know why. I've been wanting to do a taste test video with the husband, but we haven't tried it. I thought my cat was down here. I ended up getting, I found another register reward, so I can save that for another one. So I ended up getting the bags of M&Ms. Now my store just marked these down for 99 cents. I think I'll like the mint ones the best. So these were 99 cents. I used that 50 cents off a 2 coupon that was on coupons.com that are no longer available. You guys would get these for $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to get M&M wasted. I just wanted to get a couple M&Ms because these are great to bring with me when we go on our trip. So I got M&Ms for myself and myself. Some of you guys were asking where I got these bags from. I got this bag when I went on a tour. My husband works at the distribution center. When we went on a tour, they were giving every single person that went on a tour one of these with some goodies in it. And I absolutely love these bags. I always have like employees asking me, where'd you get those bags? Where'd you get those bags? And I'm like, I just got them on a tour. So yeah, I know. I wish they're still, I wish there was available. I wish I could give you guys some, but there is that. I ended up getting this L'Oreal eyeshadow. Now the eyeshadow was $5.29 on clearance. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon. I think we got the 5-6 red plum. There's also a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up paying $2.29 for this bad boy. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this $1, or making this just 29 cents. So I got black, silver, and white because I like to wear those colors, so had to do those. I lost my other register reward. What'd I do with that? I had 2 of them. Now it just disappeared. disappeared. Oh my goodness. Oh, there they all went. I was wondering what happened to them. I'm like, I have more register rewards. Okay, so I ended up buying this Rimmel. Now, the one that's on clearance is the golden bronze. I've been starting to wear this lately. Like, I have the highlighter here, the bronzer, and the pink. I don't really know how to put makeup on professionally. I've been wanting to get a makeover, but I'm just like, eh. So these were on clearance for $3.89. Now, if you guys still have those coupons, they are gonna beep at Walgreens. I don't know why they beep they don't beep anywhere else except Walgreens. There's also a $1 off of Walgreens coupon, the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would end up paying nothing for this. This ends up becoming an 11-cent moneymaker. The reason is because it's $3.99, and then you guys would technically get it for 89 cents. But when you guys scan the Walgreens booklet last, it'll take it off after the coupon's already scanned. So you guys will end up getting this absolutely free. I wish my store had more because I still have a couple more coupons left, and I'm really liking this blush. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the ornament, honey. So, yeah, there is that. So, that was my Walgreens haul. Again, it's not the greatest. I haven't even checked what's even coming out for the next week, so I'm hoping it's an okay week, you guys, but I'm also hoping not, because I am cutting myself off on couponing next week since we're going on vacation. I will be doing some Walgreens videos, but not couponing videos, so you guys will have to check that out. But my total for the first transaction came to $7.81. That is minus that Eco Tools thing. I got a $1.99 register reward, plus I got a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for that just $3.82. My second transaction, I bought 2 of the smaller M&Ms and then 1 of the trolleys, so that came to $2.96. I got a $1.99 register reward, so that came to 97 cents if you guys add both transactions. I got 14 items for $4.79. That comes out to be 34 cents a piece. I don't know if that's the greatest deal. Like I said, it's very slow, but I'm excited that I've gotten a lot of food items this week instead of a lot of the personal care. One thing I'm really hoping to do is get shampoo and conditioner. I feel like shampoo and conditioner has been slacking a lot lately. We have not gotten hardly any deals with shampoo and conditioner, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed with that. Also, stay tuned for the Walgreens booklet that I will be posting. And I also wanted to give you guys a heads up on the shirt idea. I came up with an idea. It's going to say Coupon Addict on the top. And then I kind of got like this crisscross thing. And then like in each corner I have a scissors, coupons, a barcode, and a shopping cart. And I thought that'd be kind of cute. And like my husband's like, oh, you should have DesignerJen on it. I'm like, no, because like I want all you guys to wear these shirts. So the company that I'm working with is going to work with a design, and I will be making a separate video for this when I do find out more information, but they're working on a design for me, and then once I get back from my vacation, we'll be working on the exact design that we're going to do, and then I will have the shirts available, but when we do have them, they're only going to be available for 2 weeks, so you guys will definitely have to try to get those shirts. And there will be sweatshirts available. No hats. I tried hats, but he did mention reusable shopping bags, so I thought that'd be kind of cute because I love using reusable shopping bags, especially for my trips, because those things hold so much better than the crappy Walgreens and CVS bags that we get. I mean, Target's got some decent I can't even speak. Target has decent bags, but everywhere else they're all just chintzy. So stay tuned for the details for that. I'm pretty excited. I might even get extra shirts to do giveaways in the future, but it's hard to say what everybody's sizes are. But you guys will definitely have to stay tuned. I'm hoping we all can wear the same shirts and be a coupon addict together. My son is being silly, so I will let you go. I hope you guys have a nice... Okay, I hope you guys have a nice evening, and I will see you guys again for the Walgreens booklet preview and the Walgreens ad preview. See you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.